Hi, my name is Jellica Fergaliza from VS Air Transportation, and I'm currently a fourth-year student.
I am Jet Kendrick Mendoza, fourth year BS Air Transportation.
What's your biggest dream?
Well, my biggest dream is to be able to conquer the skies and to become the best aviator I can be, and I hope to become a pilot one day.
My biggest dream? Magmula nung bata ako, iisang landas ang nais ko. At sa tuwing tinatanong ako kung anong gusto ko maging, iisa lang ang sagot ko, na maging isang pilot.
Ako'y nag-iisang muli, hawak ang alaala mo. Ikaw pa rin.
What's your biggest challenge as a student?
I think putting myself out there.
Time management.
Sino bang mag-aakalang uuwi sa
If you were given the chance to turn back time, would you plan a different route?
I guess I wouldn't change anything because air transportation molded me as a person I am today, and I think it would better prepare me to be the best aviator in the future.
No. In any case, I would. Because it feels right to be here. AirTrans is my home.
Sinong pipiliin ko? Parang kailan lang nung tayo'y nagtatawanan, kaya kagat ng nakaw ng halik. Ngunit ang tadhana ayaw nang makasama, lalapit ngunit bibitaw muli. Pero kahit may hadrang pag-ibig, ipaglalaban. Kaya't kahit saan kang mapadpad, kahit lang taon ang lumipas, kahit ika'y mapalayo sa piling ko, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
But I hope to become a pilot.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Ang isang pilot.
Ikaw ang pipiliin ko.
29 runway 35 for takeoff.
Center 51, number 1 holding, runway 35.
Up. Good job. Delay 18. Binigay sa back.
Nang lumipas, kahit ika'y mapalayo sa piling